Hello. In this video, I will show you how to integrate GetPaid with Affiliate Press. Now, go to the Affiliate Press settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the Affiliate Press integration page. Here, you can see 22 plus default integrations. Enable GetPaid Integration and reject commission on refund, fail, or cancel invoice. Enable or disable this option for your requirement-wise. After set the option, click the Save button. Save the changes. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the Affiliate Press Affiliates page. Here you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using this link, any customer visit your site. Customer opens your link and then purchases your affiliate item. Now open the GetPaid Purchase Item Form page. This is the GetPaid Purchase Form page. Enter the billing details. See the purchase item details and select the payment method and click to Pay Now button. Your item is purchased. Now go to the Backend side commission page. This is the Affiliate Press commission page. Here, you can see all the commission-related entries. See, the first record is GetPaid. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. This is the Affiliate Press Affiliate panel. Now open the Commission tab. Here, affiliate user sees the commission-related records. Affiliate user also sets Disable Commission on an item-by-item basis. Go to the Get Paid Items page. This is the Get Paid Items page. Add a new item, otherwise edit the existing item. Here you can see the last option, Affiliate Press Commission Settings page. Enable this option and stop Affiliate Press Commission for this item. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.